Jen of Chalk It To Me with Jen, and I want to show you a couple of quick projects that I threw together. I found the materials when I was out shopping doing errands this weekend, and I want to show you how easy Chalk Couture is to use and how easy it is to find projects to do. So what we have right here is the Build a Valentine transfer, because Valentine's Day is coming. I've already cut it up. I have some other pieces over here that we're going to use today, but this is the Build a Valentine transfer with Chalk Couture, and I have 3 colors of paste. I have some white. This is bubblegum pink. The label's off, but this is bubblegum pink, and this is black. And we're going to take some items. Let me show you what I found to make projects with. Let me get all of these out of our way. So here, you can tell where I went shopping. We were at Target doing our shopping, and I went into the Bullseye Playground. It used to be the dollar spot, but now because they have items that are $1, it's the Bullseye Playground. So I want you to see all of this cool stuff that I got. I got these little scented candles in glass votive holders. They were $3 each. I got this really cool pink chalkboard with gold roses, a cute little string. This is a real chalkboard sign, so you can actually write on it with chalk too. This was $3. And then I also got this magnetic wall tile. They also have corkboard versions of these, which can be chalked on as well. I think they had some dry erase, but whatever. This magnetic wall tile, it was $5. It was $5. It's got little hangers on the back of it and everything. So we are going to take these projects and we're going to make cool things with Chalk Couture. Are you guys ready? Great, let's go. Let's start with these cute little votives first. Look, I have a navy blue one that smells like coconuts. I have this gold one that smells like vanilla. And I have this green one that smells like freesia garden. So these are going to be super cute, and we're going to make them Valentine's Day-y. So let me find some cute little transfers. Here we go. Here are 3 little transfers that I found. So, and these are all part of the Build a Valentine set. So I was thinking actually that on this we would use the bubblegum pink chalk paste. So we're going to use bubblegum pink on this, on all of these, because I think it'll just be really cute. So let's start with the gold one. We're going to take the gold candle, and it couldn't be simpler. Here's my transfer, here's my candle. You just put that on there, and then we'll open up our pink chalk paste, bubblegum pink Chalk Couture Chalkology paste. Okay, and our little squeegee. And you just take a little bit of paste out of here. And this is nice and smooth down. And all you have to do is put the paste on. I apologize for when the camera shakes. I have forgotten to put my cat in the laundry room. And she is very interested in Chalk Couture as well. So you just put this on here. I'm going to put the excess back in the jar. And then all you do is make sure you scrape it. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see. Scrape it off really well. Okay, put the excess back in the jar again. And you guys, all we're going to do is peel this off. Peel this off. Look how cute that is. You have my heart. All done, just like that, a Valentine's Day craft. Now, do you see where I got a little extra on there? Just wipe that right off. And the fun thing about these materials is all of the materials that I purchased at Target, everything is going to be so that you can erase it and redo projects with other things. So if you don't want to have a gold votive candle holder that says you have my heart all year round, you can not seal this. This will come right off of the glass, and you can make new projects with it with new seasons. All right, so let's just push this back and let's make another one. Let's take this navy blue one and put a pink heart on it. I think pink hearts are so, I think pink and like navy go so well together. And again, all you do is you put your transfer on the candle, you take your paste, get a little bit out of there. You can even reuse some of the stuff I didn't use on the last votive holder. There we go. pick this up and put your paste on. And it is just this simple. Now you can see I got a little bit off the edge of the transfer. It's no problem. I will clean that up when I take it off. Make sure you get all over the mesh parts. There we go. Put your excess back in your jar. I'm going to set that aside for a minute. Have a little wipe here. Let's pull this transfer off to see our cool hearts. Ta-da! Like I said, all you need to do is take, this is actually a kitchen wipe, but any kind of wet cloth would do. I just happen to have them handy because they help to clean the transfers off. But see how easy it comes off? Just like that. Just like that. Any wet rag would do that. And there you go. Now you have a little heart on that one. And let's put lips on the green one. So I'm going to take it, and again, you just put that on there. You take your, I'm going to use my bubblegum pink again. Get a little bit more, just a little bit more pink. This transfer has more open space on it, so just a little bit more pink. Make sure you get over all the open areas. I'm going to put my excess back in my jar. And make sure we get everything covered. And let's take a look at our final product. Look at that, little kiss. Mwah! Perfect Valentine's Day project. All three of those, look how fast I did them. It took me literally minutes to make those projects. Isn't that awesome? Great, so let's look at the next thing that we got from Target. We'll put our three little votives right over here. I don't know if you can still see them or not. This is actually a chalkboard. There was a little sticker here that said you could use real chalk on it. And so I suppose you can, but we're gonna use Chalk Couture today. So just cut off the tag, like I said, and let's get started. I was thinking that this would be super cute down in the corner here with a little P.S. I love you. And maybe some little hearts. How about some little hearts? Make sure, if you're going to put down multiple transfers at a time, just a little piece of advice from me to you, make sure the edges aren't covering any of the screens here. Let me just real quick get my white paste, get my pink paste put away, and get my little squeegee cleaned off between colors so I don't get pink all over my white. Good idea, right? Okay, so let's take our white Chalkology paste. We've got our little P.S. I love you and our cute little hearts down here in the corner. Let's open up the white paste. There we go. Take our squeegee, get a little bit of paste on there. And you just put that paste right on here. This is so simple. We're going to have a cute little personalized chalkboard in no time. Now, if you wanted, of course, you could put a big design in the middle. Or what I was thinking is it would be super cool to leave the middle of this chalkboard open so that we could write stuff on it. And Chalk Couture, like the chalk paste, once it's dry, it doesn't wipe off with just your hand like chalk will. You have to get a wet rag to clean it off. So, and I'll clean all that up in a minute. So, you can write on the middle of this chalkboard with chalk, regular chalk, and just wipe it away with a dry cloth. And your little P.S. I love you is going to stay put. All right, let's peel this up and clean up the edges. P.S. I love you. And hearts. All right, I did a number on that, right? But you guys, this is so easy. You don't have to be a master crafter. It doesn't have to be perfect. This stuff is so forgiving. Look at this. It's just wiping away. It'll be perfect in just a minute. So just, you know, what I hear from people all the time, especially when I'm talking to them about chalk couture, is that, oh, well, I'm not crafty. I love this stuff, but I'm not crafty. Oh, I'm gonna mess it up. You guys, did you see how messed up it was when I pulled this off? And do you see how it's almost perfect now? And all I've been doing is wiping it while we talked. I'm literally just cleaning up the edges. I am not perfect either. And I'm not one of these people who can do hand lettering or be obviously super neat. But that doesn't mean I can't do chalk couture. Because the thing about chalk couture is that it allows people who maybe aren't super crafty to do all kinds of cool things. So that's just a little board. It says, P.S. I love you. We'll put that out of the way and we'll open up our last crafty. So this I need to open up. This is our magnetic wall tile straight from Target. Let's take the plastic off of this. And I had a cute idea for this too. So I was thinking like the chalkboard that we did, instead of doing a big design in the middle, although you totally could, I was thinking of putting a little design off in like 2 of the corners. Make sure we have that upright. We do. So that you can put magnets and stuff in the middle and be fancy. Because, you know, y'all, I'm all about being fancy. So what I pulled for this are these cute little bee-themed things, again, from the Build a Valentine. I was thinking we could put like a Be Mine down here in the corner, maybe over here. How about over here? Yeah? Be Mine. Let's stick these down. Let's do it, you guys. Okay, so here is Be Mine. And a cute little bee. A cute little bee. And I was thinking, you guys, that we would use the black paste. I've never used the black paste before. Won't this be fun? It's a brand new paste. First time opening it. A little scary. So dark. A little scary. But we can do this. We can do this. We're just going to take a little bit, because I bet a little bit of this black goes a long way. Just a little bit, and just like any other transfer. Are you guys getting the hang of this now? It's so simple. We'll just cover up the open areas. Make sure you get it all over the open areas. Scrape off the excess. Scrape off the excess. We can use some of the excess over here, huh? I'm just going to use the little corner of my squeegee to try to be neater this time. But you'll note, like I said with me, I am definitely not perfect. I'm never going to be perfect. And I think that you don't have to be perfect either. If I can do this, you can do this. All right, so you ready? We're going to peel this stuff up. We have our little bee. Look how cute he is. And our Be Mine, so cute. That little black already off. And then I was thinking, turn this around and we're gonna try something. You and me, guys, we're gonna try something. Let's see. We put this like this up in the corner. I wanna get it close, but I need to make sure, yeah, that the screen print area is all down. So I don't wanna mess that up. I'm gonna take some more black paste. And you guys, I know I said this before, but I'm gonna say it again, all of the materials that we're using today are not gonna be permanent unless you choose to make them so. So if you choose not to seal your chalk paste on metal or glass or chalkboards, obviously, then you can reuse, you can erase your designs when you want to and reuse your surface again. So it's all up to you. It depends on what you want. Whee! You can see already that, again, like I said, I'm not perfect. And this product doesn't expect you to be perfect. It just doesn't. You don't have to be perfect for it. See that? And it's okay. Let me show you how reusable this is. Now, I would really like to, we're gonna have to be really careful. I'm not gonna stick down that corner. I'm gonna reuse this before I clean it. I'm holding this corner up, you guys, because I didn't blow dry the design in between. If you don't want to have to do this, all you need is either to wait until your design is dry or use a blow dryer on it to speed that process up. And that's super easy to do. I've even done it in workshops with beginners. All you do is just dry it off. So if you don't want to hold it like I'm doing here, you don't have to. So that's a little crooked, but you get the idea. But what I want you to have gotten out of this is that these items were all $5 or less from Target, and we have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 projects in the time of this short video. Chalk Couture can be used on a variety of surfaces. It can be used for a variety of projects, and you can use things a variety of ways. I haven't even touched 3/4 of this Build a Valentine transfer yet, and I still have there were so many more possibilities and combinations that I could use. And some of these things, like, look, the hearts and the You Have My Heart, even the lips, none of these things have to be seasonally specific. So if you want to use them outside of Valentine's Day, you can. So I want to thank you for joining me and for taking a look at these, and I hope to see you again soon, all right? If you want to pick up chalk paste or chalk transfers, all you have to do is follow the link in this video description, and there'll also be a link to my crafting community called Chalk-a-To-Me with Jen on Facebook if you want to join us for more great tutorials. All right, see you soon. Bye.